Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Maven on your Mac operating system. So first of all, let's see how to check whether Maven is installed on our Mac operating system or not. So just open your terminal and then give this command mvn-version and then press enter, and if it gives this kind of result which says mvn command not found, then Maven is most probably not installed on your Mac operating system. So there can be few ways of installing Maven on your Mac operating system. The easiest way is if you have Homebrew installed on your Mac operating system, then you can directly give this command brew install Maven and then press enter, and Maven will be installed on your system without you doing anything. But I don't like to use this brew command because this hides lots of stuff which is important to know to us. So I'm going to show you the manual way of installing Maven on our Mac operating system. So for that, you just need to open the terminal and search for download Maven, and the first link which will appear here will be from maven.apache.org/download.cgi. So I'm going to just click on this link, and then when I scroll down, we need to download the binary files of Maven. So you can either download Apache Maven zip file or Apache Maven .tar.gz file. So in our case, I'm going to download this tar.gz file. So I'm going to just click on this tar.gz file, and now I'm going to wait for the download to complete. So once this .tar.gz file is downloaded, we are going to just extract it into our downloads folder itself, for example, and then you can see this Apache -Maven -3.5.4 is extracted inside my downloads folder. So what we can do is we can move this Apache Maven folder to our applications directory, and for that I'm going to just minimize the browser and open the terminal, and in this terminal what we are going to do is we are going to move this directory to our applications directory. So first of all, I'm going to just cd to my downloads directory, and then I'm going to use the mv command to move this Apache-Maven.3.5.4 directory to the applications folder. So you can find the applications folder in /applications and then press enter, and this directory is transferred to our applications folder. So we can now cd to our applications folder now. So I'm going to just go to the applications folder, and then when I do cd Apache, you will be inside your Apache Maven directory, right? And when I do pwt command, you can see this directory is now inside my applications folder. Okay, so once you have moved your Apache Maven directory into your applications directory, the next step is to add the Maven home environment variable into your bash profile file. So the bash profile file can be found in your home directory, which is cd/users and then whatever is your username. So in my case it's code bind, so I'm going to just cd to users and code bind, and once you are inside your users and your username directory, you will find a file called .bash profile. So I'm going to just do ls -l here, and you will see all the directories here, and when you do ls -a here and then press enter, you will see all the files which are also hidden into the terminal. So what we are looking for is the file called .bash profile, which is this file. So we need to add it, this .bash profile file. If it doesn't exist, you can create this .bash profile file and then export whatever I'm going to show you. So to open this .bash profile file, you can use open command and then -e flag and then the file name, which is .bash profile, and then press enter, which is going to open this file into the text editor. So I have made these font bigger so you can see this bash profile file, and if this file exists, then it's okay. If it doesn't exist, you can create one, and in your case it will look maybe empty or different environment variable you will be able to see depending upon what you have installed till now on your Mac operating system. So what you need to do is you need to go at the last and export few things. So what you need to export is you need to export two things. One is to export the Maven home environment variable, and the second is the location where your Maven binary file is there. So I'm going to just put these two export in the description of this video so you can directly copy these exports and put it into your bash profile file. Just keep in mind that this version can be different in your case. So depending upon the version of the Maven you have installed, you need to change this version from here. So I'm going to just directly copy these two export, and into my .bash profile file at the end I'm going to just paste these two export, and then I'm going to just save my .bash profile file, and I'm going to just close this file. Okay, so once you have added these environment variable into your .bash profile file, what you need to do is you can either open the new terminal. So let me clear the terminal first of all. So you can either open the new terminal, or you can just do source and then .bash profile file. Okay, this command is going to reload this bash profile file into this terminal. So I'm going to just give this command which is going to reload this .bash profile file. Otherwise, if you don't want to give this command, you need to just close this terminal and open the terminal once again, and then give the mvn command once again. So mvn hyphen version, and then press enter, and this time you will be able to see the version of Maven which is installed on your system. So this is the version of Maven which is installed on our Mac operating system, and this is how you can download and install Maven on our Mac operating system. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.